Happy July 4th to everyone. Before we jump in, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you for being here. Your support truly means the world to me, and it's what keeps this channel growing every single day. And what a day it is to celebrate, because today we have some explosive news that could change everything for crypto. The Federal Reserve just made a move that could seal XRP's fate, and the big, beautiful bill. It was just signed over for setting the stage for a massive economic shift and a potential crypto boom. But here's the wild part. There are rumors that XRP could get a fixed value as soon as July 14th, thanks to all these new laws and financial shakeups. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve and support the XRP community, smash that like button right now and helps more people get this info when they need it the most. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe so you don't miss a single update, especially as these stories unfold. Now let's dive into the biggest crypto news of the summer. Bitcoin coming in at $109,035. It's currently in the red 0.75%. Ethereum right behind it. It's coming in at 2,550. It's currently in the red 1.77%. And XRP is holding down that number 4 spot. Not too shabby. It's down 3%, but hey, coming in at $2.23. You can feel it, right? You can feel the market's on the edge of a massive breakout. You can feel a summer rally. We are just teetering on the edge. Total cryptocurrency market cap coming in at 3.39 trillion. Folks, remember, this is the new channel, the Bullwinkle Blueprint. Everyone who hit that thumbs up yesterday, we had a record number of thumbs up. Look, YouTube pushed out the video. We got over 25,000 views on it. Let's do it again. Let's keep on growing and keep on pushing. A wallet that has been dormant for over 14 years transferred 10,000 Bitcoin out just now. Folks, could you imagine that? You bought Bitcoin 14 years ago and now it's worth over $1 billion. Are you kidding me? Well, Julian put this out. 4 top signals in Bitcoin's history, each corresponded to a top. We are nowhere near it. This lines up with every Bitcoin bull run, every halving that we have seen, and what we are looking at now. We have a lot of room to run, a lot of room to grow. I've been talking about this for quite some time. This bull run is not over yet. 3 to 6 months we got. And then Bitcoin will, it'll come up, it'll go over those red lines. We'll have the Bitcoin top, we'll have a massive and parabolic alt season. Everyone walks away happy, and a lot of us are buying new houses and new cars and going on these fancy vacations. Love to see it. Ripple partnered with Tenity to launch an XRP Ledger accelerated program over in Singapore. So let's take a quick and exciting detour before we jump into the meat and potatoes of this video. This is a major move right here. This is going to turbocharge innovation on the XRP ledger. What is the accelerator program? Because a lot of people, they don't quite understand it. Think of it like Shark Tank, but this is exclusively for blockchain. Ripple and Tenity are bringing together some of the brightest minds and boldest startups from across Asia, giving them funding, mentorship, and direct access to build on the XRP ledger. These startups get a real shot at changing the world and bringing over adoption to the XRP ledger. The more people that use the ledger, the more XRP that gets used, the higher the price goes, supply plus demand. Whether it's in payments, tokenization, gaming, or new DeFi applications, all with the power and speed, you guessed it, of the XRPL. But why Singapore? Here's the key. Singapore is the innovation capital of Asia, with clear regulations and a government that actually welcomes blockchain builders. By planting the accelerator there, Ripple is putting the XRP ledger at the center of where the next big wave of Web3 breakthroughs are being born. This is huge, folks. More builders mean more real-world utility. More projects that launch in a ledger equals more demand for XRP. And as the gas and liquidity engine, every successful project from the accelerator could add to XRP's use case, and that's exactly what drives value and mainstream adoption. Now, let's talk about this. The big, beautiful bill. We all heard it. We all know it got approved. We all know Trump is signing the paperwork. Bo Hines put this out. Congratulations to President Trump and the House for passing the historic big, beautiful bill, delivering tax cuts, securing the border, ending the tax on tips, and making the American economy stronger than ever. Next up, Crypto Week in the House, the week of July 14th. So let's talk about this big, beautiful bill and what it's going to do. Whether you're a crypto OG, brand new to digital assets, or just someone who wants to see more cash in their pocket, I get that. This bill could shake up your financial life in ways you might not expect. So think of the US economy, okay? Think of it like a Mario Kart race. Sometimes you hit these power ups that give you a sudden burst of speed. That's what the bill is designed to do. Injecting new money into the system, cutting taxes, or offering direct relief so businesses and families have more spending power. It's like everyone's suddenly getting a mushroom boost for their wallets. For everyday Americans, the bill could mean bigger tax refunds, stimulus checks, or lower taxes on your paycheck. Imagine waking up one day and your boss is like, hey, here's a little extra in your paycheck this month. Go enjoy yourself. That's what a good stimulus or tax cut does. It puts more money directly into your hands, letting you decide how to spend or invest it. So when the governments pump money into our infrastructure, tech, or business incentives, it's like a parent investing in a child's education. You might not see results overnight, but it sets the foundation for future growth and innovation. Businesses can hire more, entrepreneurs can launch new ideas and new startups, and the whole country starts to level up. Now, here's where it gets really interesting for crypto. When extra cash floods into the economy, people look for places to grow that money. Traditionally, it was real estate or stocks, but today, crypto is the new frontier. Just like when a neighborhood starts booming and suddenly everyone wants to buy a house there. More money in circulation equals more flowing into Bitcoin, Ethereum, and yes, XRP, the only asset in the US with legal clarity and a real use case. But of course, if too much money floods in too fast, it can push prices up. We call that inflation. But here's the twist: with crypto, you have a hedge, a way to protect your purchasing power as the dollar value shifts. It's like when groceries get more expensive, but you find a smart way to save or invest. Crypto is that smart way for the digital age. We've seen this before, folks. Stimulus checks hit, crypto's charts light up. Why? Well, simple. Because people aren't just saving, they're looking to multiply their money. And the blockchain, crypto, this new asset class, it offers new roads to wealth. So, look, whether you love or you hate politics, the real story here is what you do with the opportunity. The big, beautiful bill or not. Smart money, it finds smart homes. And in 2025, more and more of that money is looking straight at crypto. And then to top it all off, folks, do not forget Brad Garlinghouse is going to be testifying at the market structure hearing Wednesday at 10 a.m. This is all leading us up to the week of the 14th. And Smoke wants to let you know that XRP, and this is all documented, is going to become less volatile over time as the demand for XRP increases. We got Ripple looking to get direct access into the Federal Reserve. We have these documents that were put out there talking about XRP becoming less volatile over time, which we kind of knew, right? The more it's used, the more liquidity, the further the price will lock in. And then we did the video yesterday, which touched on it. It states that XRP and XLM most likely are both going to have a set fiat value in the future to enable money transfers via blockchains. Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes peeled, folks. Something big is brewing. Something big is cooking. We were about to see the largest and the most explosive bull run we have ever witnessed. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoy your day. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch everyone on the next one.